Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change the screen timeout on Redmi Note 7 Pro. Let's begin! First, you want to head into the settings. Then, inside settings, you want to scroll down a little and head into lock screen. And right at the top of the lock screen we have sleep, currently being set to after 1 minute of inactivity. This means that after 1 minute of inactivity, our screen should automatically lock itself. So we can bump up this value to, for example, 5 minutes, and now it will take full 5 minutes for our screen to automatically turn itself off. Note that, generally speaking, the bigger the value, the bigger the battery usage. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.